Welcome to your midweek weather forecast, where the day starts off with some light morning rainfall over the extreme southwestern part of South Africa. We're forecasting cooler conditions through to the central and southern parts, but with that cooler air also pushing in over the extreme eastern part of the country on Wednesday. We're expecting rainfall mainly for KwaZulu-Natal, with a bit of cloud over South Africa's interior, and then we'll see a few thundershowers forming over parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga in the afternoon. There's a high fire danger warning over the northeastern interior, with runaway fires possible within the shade of red. Here's that early morning light rainfall over the extreme southwestern part of South Africa, with a 60% chance of rainfall along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline. That chance of rainfall decreases as we head further inland, and then you'll see isolated thundershowers possible from Limpopo through to the northwestern part of Mpumalanga. It's a bit cooler over the eastern part of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. The temperatures still stay quite hot over this part of the country, sizzling hot for Pretoria and Mahikeng, both in the mid-30s, 33 degrees for Johannesburg and Phalaborwa, with Ermelo and Polokwane expecting a maximum of 30 degrees. Still warm for the Free State, with highs in the upper 20s, 24 for Ladysmith, but with a cool day for Pietermaritzburg and Vryheid, as well as over the interior part of the Eastern Cape, with most of those highs in the teens. We'll see a maximum temperature of around 20 as we head towards the east coast, with a moderate south-southeasterly wind for Durban and Richards Bay. More of a southwester as we head towards the Eastern Cape, with strong winds in the forecast from Port Elizabeth, and along the east coast we're expecting a 2-meter southerly swell at 9 seconds. Around 20 degrees for Graaff-Reinet and Somerset East, with highs heading into the low 20s over the interior part of the Western Cape, Oudtshoorn at 19. We're forecasting a moderate southwesterly wind for Muizenberg at 17 degrees, with a west-southwesterly wind between 20 and 35 kilometers per hour along the coast between Hermanus and Jeffreys Bay, all with highs in the upper teens. And along the south coast we're expecting a 3.5-meter southwesterly swell at 13 seconds. 28 for Uppington and Kimberley, still quite chilly for Sutherland at 17 degrees. Springbok warming up to 25 on Wednesday afternoon. 21 for Alexander Bay, with a strong south-southeasterly wind. We're forecasting a moderate southwesterly wind for Cape Town at 18 degrees. And along the west coast we're expecting a 3.5-meter southwesterly swell, and that's at 13 seconds. On Thursday, thundershowers move in over Gauteng, with a cooler day expected, and you'll see cool weather continuing along the east coast, with cloudy and wet conditions for KwaZulu-Natal, as well as some drizzle for Mbombela. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Wednesday.